Multiply 96 times 182. Whenever you multiply, try to put the larger number up top. So 182 times 96. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my bottom number and start with the ones place value and multiply it to the top number one at a time, starting from the right and remembering that I'm probably going to have to carry over a few times. So 6 times 2 is 12. Write out your 2, carry over your 1. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 plus 1 is 49. Write out your 9, carry over your 4. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Write out 10. Now that I'm done with the 6, I'm going to cross out these numbers because I don't want to accidentally reuse them. Now, whenever we move to the tens digit on the bottom number and we start a new row, we have to include a 0 underneath the ones digit up here. Now we're going to repeat the process and multiply 9 to all these digits right to left. 9 times 2 is 18. Write out your 8, carry over your 1. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. Write out your 3, carry over your 7. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Since we're done, write out all of 16. Now what we do is we add those rows. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 8 is 17. Write out your 7, carry over your 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 6 is 7. And nothing plus 1 is 1. Go to the right, count to the left for your commas, 1, 2, 3, comma, and we end up with 17,472. And that's our answer.